Hello viewers, welcome to Curiosity. Today we are gonna discuss a very important topic which relates to the hot summer season. So the most important question during summer season is how we can reduce our AC electricity bills. We do that by following science over mess. So the viewers of the video can cut their AC electricity bills by half, and this isn't magic but pure science based, which is on adjusting how we use our ACs. By doing so, users not only save money but also contribute positively to the environment by reducing power consumption. So firstly, we start by understanding a concept called thermal comfort. A major reason for high AC bills is a misunderstanding of how the human body perceives comfort. The climatic difference. People often mistakenly mimic European or North American AC habits by setting their thermostats to 20 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. However, for people living in hot tropical climates like India, the body's natural thermal comfort zone is actually between 25 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. So the mistake is pushing the AC down to 20 degrees Celsius, which forces the body out of its comfort zone, making people feel too cold and prompting them to use heavy blankets, which defeats the purpose of the AC. Now we move on to another concept called the 6% power saving rule. It is a crucial mathematical rule for AC power consumption, which is for every 1 degree Celsius you increase your AC's temperature setting, you save approximately 6% on your electricity bill. The math works like if you are used to keeping your AC at 20 degrees Celsius and you raise it to a comfortable 26 degrees Celsius, you are increasing the temperature by 6 degrees. This translates to a massive 36% saving on your electricity consumption right away. Now we move on to another concept called evaporative cooling, which is the fan plus AC combo. We know the science of evaporative cooling, which is how sweat evaporating from our skin makes us feel cooler in front of a fan. Also, we know the wind chill effect, which is running a ceiling fan circulates air and can lower the perceived room temperature by 5 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the ultimate saving strategy is if the outside temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, you can set your AC to 30 degrees Celsius and turn on the ceiling fan. The fan will make the room feel like it is 25 degrees Celsius. Since you increase the AC base temperature all the way to 30 degrees Celsius, your electricity savings can reach up to 48%. Now we go on to the importance of clothing. To maximize the evaporative cooling effect, you must dress appropriately. So wear light cotton cloths. Always wear thin breathable cotton cloths while using the AC. Cotton allows air to circulate and sweat to evaporate. Also avoid heavy blankets. Using thick comforters or heavy blankets can prevent air circulation, making you feel uncomfortably warm and forcing you to lower the AC temperature again. Also, we need to choose the right hardware, which is inverter ACs. If you are in a market for a new AC, buying an inverter AC is highly recommended. The technology alone can save an additional 30% to 40% on electricity compared to non-inverter models. Finally, we move on to structural adjustments for top floor rooms. For rooms situated directly under a roof exposed to direct sunlight, the heat radiates downward, forcing the AC to work harder. So we suggest two solutions to combat this. Firstly, install a false ceiling. This creates a 6 to 8 inch air gap between the hot roof and the room, acting as insulation and saving about 10% in cooling energy. Secondly, use reflective roof paint. Painting the exterior roof white using damp-proof white paint or installing white tiles reflects sunlight. Combining this with a false ceiling can increase your structural energy savings to about 15%. So, in conclusion, we can say that it is our social responsibility to follow these rules to reduce our AC electricity bills. We can conclude with a strong environmental message. ACs contribute to roughly 10% of environmental pollution. By optimizing your AC usage and cutting your power consumption by 50%, you aren't just saving your own money, but you are actively reducing your carbon footprint and performing a vital social service for the planet. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and share as much as you can. Thank you.